Today I'm going to show you how to make perfectly smooth chocolate ganache. You can use this to decorate and fill cupcakes, cakes, pop it on top of desserts, or just eat it with a spoon. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and today we're going to make a delicious chocolate ganache. This recipe is really easy, so let's get stuck into it. To a heat-proof bowl, you're going to add some chopped chocolate. I'm using cooking chocolate. You can find this in the baking aisle of your supermarket. This chocolate is dark because we don't want this to be overly sweet. You can use milk chocolate, but just keep in mind that's a little bit sweeter. To that, we're going to add some butter, some glucose syrup, otherwise known as corn syrup. This is going to help bind our ingredients together, and it kind of also helps stop it from splitting. Add some heavy cream in there, and this is going to go in the microwave for 20 seconds at a time. You're going to stir it each time until it's nice and smooth. You can make this recipe over a double boiler as well, and just stir it until it's nice and smooth. Once you've got it nice and smooth, you're going to let this chill or set at room temperature. Really important you don't put this in the fridge because you could end up with a mixture that's way too stiff, and it just sets much nicer at room temperature. After a couple hours, it will set to a spreadable consistency. If it sets too stiff and you can't spread it, pop it in the microwave for about 5 or 10 seconds, stirring as best you can until it's all consistently spreadable. If this looks like a recipe you want to make, grab the recipe on my website at scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. This was a short video just to show you how to make some yummy chocolate ganache, and it's also going to be used in my next video. Little hint, Ferrero Rocher cake. Working on it at the moment, coming to the Scran line soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scran line. Bye!